You are going to love the 2018 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, overhead console, universal garage door opener, cargo area light, rear floor mats, trip odometer. Come see the car for yourself.